Hey, what's going on, guys? So I had a lot of people on Instagram telling me, Tyler, I'm broke, Tyler, I have no money, Tyler, I'm poor, Tyler, I'm just stuck in this financial situation, I don't know how to get out of it. And trust me, I know exactly what it feels like because I used to be in those shoes. I know what it feels like to not have any money, lie about, why I can't do this, why I can't do that, have my parents pay for things. Trust me, I know exactly what it feels like, and I wouldn't wish it on my worst enemy, which is exactly why I'm making this video. One of the number one things you need to do is this: watch your expenses. What are some different expenses that you guys have that don't make any sense or just taking money out of you? A car note that you know you can't afford. If you bought a car that you know you can't afford, you should probably get rid of it. Owning a place or renting a place that you know you can't afford. If you know you can't afford this, then you need to get rid of it. Going out to eat every single day, going out and partying, going out and drinking. If you're not financially stable and you don't have your finances right, there's no reason to be going out to eat every single day. What's the average meal? Average meal could be like $10, $12. There's 30 days in a week. I'll let you guys do the math on that. That's a lot of money. Majority of the jobs that people work today, and if you're struggling, you're probably working a 40-hour job making like $10, $13 an hour. I mean, you're probably making like $950 or less on each paycheck, which is like equivalent to $1,500 to $1,800 an entire month. That's not a lot of money. You're looking at, I'd say, probably, well, that's just not a lot of money at all. So what you need to do is this: keep your expenses really small. One of the biggest things that you guys can do, I mean, if you guys have parents, that'll allow this, do this. Tell your parents, hey, you know what? I want to live with you guys. I just want to spend a whole year. I'll work 2 or 3 jobs. I'll give you guys some rent or whatever you need to do, like $500,000, nothing crazy. I want to work 2 or 3 jobs. I'm going to try to pick my money up. I mean, just imagine what you have after a year of having $25,000 to $40,000 sitting in your bank. That's going to open you up to a whole lot more investments and a whole lot different business opportunities. You guys have to start doing things that are making you money and stop doing things that are taking money out of your hand. What are some things that can make you money? Starting a business. I mean, if you guys got money, or if you guys live with your parents, I'm pretty sure they have a lawnmower, I'm pretty sure they have a power washer, go start like a yard removal business. If your parents got a truck, go start like a junk removal or yard removal business. Say, hey, you know what, I need to use your truck, I'm gonna start a business right now. If you guys want to partner, if not, then okay, totally fine. What's the worst that's gonna happen? No. You guys gotta start thinking about things that you guys can make money on. Learn how to do Facebook ads, learn how to do Instagram ads, learn how to take businesses to the next level using social media. If you guys can do those things, I mean, what, it takes like $200, $300 to buy a course in these things just to learn how to do Facebook ads, Instagram ads, stuff like that, and then finding a client, which shouldn't be that hard. I mean, at least get a track record first before you're doing things, and then you can start pitching and selling your Facebook ads or Instagram ads or social media growth to help out businesses. There's so many things that you guys can do to make money without having any money. Some of the best things you can do is having a skill. If you don't have a skill, I highly suggest that you guys learn a skill. If you don't know, I'm gonna ask you one thing. Do you have any skill that you can sell to someone that'll help them improve their life or help them improve their business? If you said no, then you literally suck, and you have to figure out that one thing that you can sell to someone that you know a lot about that can help them in life or help them in business. Trust me, that's one of the most important things. Money is literally ideas. The more money you have, the more ideas you have, the more money you're gonna make. When you think broke, you're gonna get broke with results. When you think rich, you're gonna get rich with results. I don't live here and I don't live a really good life because I do broke people things and I do broke shit all the time. I know how much I could spend a month. I spent like $8,000, $10,000 on food last month, and that's because I can afford it. Those are things that I like to do. But I wouldn't do things that I can't afford to do. Having very good money management and understanding, things that you're doing that's wrong when you're poor and broke, and stop doing those same things and then start doing things what rich people do. Trust me, one of the best things you can do is literally save your money right now. Work those 2 or 3 jobs, save some money up, have $20,000, $30,000. Trust me, you're gonna be able to take that $20,000, $30,000, especially if you're learning a skill throughout that whole time, and you can take your life to the whole next level. You just gotta stop doing things that's not making you any money. Stop hanging around those people who waste your time. Stop hanging around, that boyfriend, girlfriend who's wasting your time, wasting your money. I mean, it's terrible when you have someone negative, someone poor in your life, someone who's always bringing you down, someone who's not taking you to the next level. I mean, I told you guys before in most recent videos, I had to get rid of my friends who weren't on my team, who weren't on my side. I got rid of those people. It literally let me focus on myself and what I'm building, and now look where I'm at. Look where they're at. They're still at the bottom while I'm at the top. Why? Because I stopped doing shit that wasn't making me money. I stopped doing things that was keeping me down here. You're never gonna get up here if you're doing things that are down there. So I hope this video helped you out, guys.